channel Tarot Reading with Shaista. Scorpio, hi. This is going to be a reading for you from November the 4th right up till the 12th of November 2020, and we shall be taking a look at your recent past, your current energies and your immediate future. I will then close the reading off by pulling out an oracle card right from here, which will serve you as a message from the universe. I would like you all to remember that these are general readings, so they may not always resonate with all of you. This could be for you, your person, the situation you're probably in, or just a vice versa kind of an energy, because a lot of cross watchers also watch these readings. But if you're looking at a personal reading or a private reading with me, please feel free to email me for queries. I have mentioned my email address in the description box below. The deck I'm using today is the Tarot Grand Lux by Sari Marchetti, and I'm using the Oracle deck by Kyle Gray, which is called the Angel Guide Oracle deck. All right, so let's proceed with Scorpio for the week November 4th to the 12th. Scorpio. What's happening with Scorpio? All right, the overall energy for the reading is strength. I think this is your person, clearly a situation you're in with your person, but let's see where this is going. It could be you, but I see, Scorpio, that you're probably dealing with a fire sign, and mostly it looks like a Leo. All right, let's see why this has shown up and why I think it's this other person you're dealing with. When I look at your recent past, I see the Two of Swords, the Seven of Wands, and I see the Hangman. There has been an exchange of ideologies. You both probably wanted two different things in that relationship or the connection that you shared. Each one had their own, kind of wavelengths, which were probably not matching. They had their own ideologies. You had yours, they had theirs. And there was definitely, no reconciliation in the past when it came to ideologies, all right? And that kind of resulted in each one kind of getting defensive. I see that you got very defensive, you also were very stubborn, and you decided to kind of, just go back and hold back. And that's why the Hangman kind of a situation happened in the past, where you both didn't communicate after that fallout. And I think you just went into your, into your own spaces, and you all haven't communicated since. But this is a good time, because I think what really happened in the recent past with you going into this hanging man kind of energy is, I think it gave you a lot of perspective. You also kind of realized where you went wrong, Scorpio, and I think they also got the time to probably introspect, look within, look outside, and look at this entire scenario or the situation that you all went through from a totally different perspective. All right. But in your current energy, I see the Chariot, I see the Devil, and I see the Three of Swords. So I don't know which one of you, it could be you, but I also see it could be them. There was movement. You definitely are interested in making this relationship work, Scorpio. They also secretly probably want this to work out. But what I see here is more of a devil energy, some kind of an addiction, to not wanting to give up. So maybe there was an issue where one of you probably even cheated. Like I said, this could be just some of you, not all of you, going through this kind of a phenomena between each other. But I think there was some cheating, or there was some addiction, and it's causing a lot of pain to this other person, and I think it's causing a lot of pain to you. Okay, I don't think they're doing this to spite you, but I think they've probably decided to move on, probably have fun on the side. They've probably gone on to dating, they've been going out with friends, and that's kind of killing you, Scorpio. It's kind of you're taking this entire thing really badly. When I look at the immediate future, I definitely see the Three of Cups. I see a reconciliation. I see friends probably getting together. I see a lot of celebration and good times. And I also see the Nine of Coins, a feeling of abundance, a feeling of being fulfilled, happiness. So I definitely see this is not a permanent situation. I definitely think there will be a reconciliation for sure. And I definitely see the Two of Cups, two people coming together, a union. So I don't see a new energy or a new love or another love interest. I definitely think it's the same person who's going to come back to you. It could be a Leo, it could be another fire sign as well, but they're extremely strong, they're very focused, they're very committed to you. So whatever really went on was a lot of communication and a lot of immaturity in the past, but I think you people will move past all that and reconcile. Now that's what I see for you, Scorpio, for this week. Let's go on to see what's happening in terms of your oracle cards. What is the message for you from the universe? What's the message for Scorpio from the universe? Fantastic. So it's very clear. The message from the oracle deck is also very clear. The message to you from the universe, the learning experience. So both of you, especially you Scorpio, have learned on the dynamics of your relationship, why it didn't work out, what really happened, why it kind of fell through the cracks. So both of you have learned your lesson. You have seen how this whole thing worked out for you or panned out for you. So the universe is asking you to learn from this experience and so that you don't make those mistakes again. I also see listen deeply, which is definitely something that you should take more seriously. I think what was really happening is like each one of you having your viewpoints, both of you probably communicating but nobody listening. So that's what happens in most arguments. Two people shout, two people yell, there's nobody listening. Okay, everybody is talking. So I think what it's really asking you to do is to listen deeply, listen to the other side, open your head, open your heart, and be open to listening to what the other person also has to say. And I think that's something that you need to really look out for, Scorpio. I also see the power and intention. I definitely see that you both really want to get back together. So you need to use everything in your power and have the right intention to make this relationship work. It shouldn't be just something taken lightly. I think both of you need to understand that if you all really want this for each other, you need to kind of really be dedicated to one another. So that's the message for you, Scorpio, from the universe. Alright, so that's what I have for you, Scorpio, for this week. I will see you next week. Till then, stay safe, take good care. Bye-bye.